certain individual ones, but still concentrating on the arts. And I know it's absolutely fantastic. There's been a fantastic job done to actually get this licence. And so therefore we should all be celebrating and congratulating them very, very well. I know that I have two councillors that will welcome this really, really, really. Right, because they are people that are used to the stage and the screen, and now they'll be on radio. That's Maroof and Aptown. I don't know if you've noticed. I don't know if you've noticed when they're up for photographs. They're taking photographs and the camera moves. They move sideways. It's a night of celebration, and we welcome this coming to Rotherham. We really, really welcome this because it will help all our people in Rotherham. Because the aim at the end of the day is to ensure that we actually can work together. Whatever religion and whatever colour we are, we actually need to work together. This will help with that. So we need to be helping you in the best way that we can when you start your radio programme. So thank you very much for the invite. I really, really congratulate you. We wish you the best, and if there's any help that we can give, ask for it. Even if it means it's helping Sheffield.